Sir, I'll get my book, sir.
No. You just go out from meeting only. If you're joining, before joining, should on the camera, okay? Every time I will give it in the minute, I'm just removing you, okay? Move out from here.
1 minute, sir.
No, I'm just removing right now. You just move from here. Manoj,
Yes, sir.
move out of the frame meeting. You're just disturbing the whole class, idiot fellow.
Yes, sir.
You want to go out or you want the camera?
I'll on the camera.
Shreyas Misra. What happened to your camera and mic? Shreyas? Huh? Javian, where you're saying the questions? Javian,
Yes, sir.
where you're sending the questions?
So I'll be sending the questions with box, sir.
In the WhatsApp or group?
So in thing Zoom meeting chat box, sir.
Okay, fine. So you have sent, where you have sent in chat box? Javian still not received?
Writing, sir.
Writing. So much time you have. Okay, fine. You are having any doubts? Any questions? Hey, why it's not opening now? Allow. You are going to visit this, allow otherwise. छोड़ दो उसको फिर. Can you find all this frequency table of the data? See this question, all of you. The statistics part. I was writing here statistics now. So many questions we have done in statistics. Do this question, all of you children. Given below a frequency distribution showing the marks of 50 students. So form the distribution table of the above data. Can you draw this? Form the distribution table of the above data. Can you do this, children, all of you? How to do this question? Manoj, I'm removing Manoj. Manoj is for time pass. He is such an idiot fellow. Manoj, don't come. Just move from the class. Not required. Okay. One time, two time we can navarno. Every time it's not possible. You can do this, children, all of you. Hmm. Given below the frequency distribution showing marks of difference. So what we can write here? There are 20 differences there. You can write here. One mark you write here. You can write class interval over here. Okay, children? You can write here 0 to 20, 20 to 40. Sorry, 20 to 40 we can write. And then 40 to 60, 60 to 80, and then 80 to 100. Can we write like this? You know this, all of you, or not?
Yes.
Then this is number of students. It means that this is your cumulative frequency is given over here. Okay. This is your cumulative frequency. All right. So you have to find frequency also. So what should be the frequency? Tell me, Javian. Javian, what is the frequency we should write here? Yeah, tell Amtur, you know. Tell.
The first the cumulative frequency, the first one, first number would be 17. So the first would be
Okay.
17.
Next.
Then 22 minus 17.
22 minus 17 is 5, right?
Yes.
Again
And
7.
then so on.
Again 8. Again 13, right?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Can't join now. I removed means you can't join. Okay. Okay, okay. Uh-huh.
Now what? You have to send the meeting.
So we can do now. It's clear? Is it clear to
Yes.
everyone? So
But
for
I have one question.
ask what is your question?
How do we know if the given number of students is cumulative frequency or only frequency?
Okay, see, if then the exam if they give below 20, below 40, below 60, below 80 or below 100, or if they ask above 20, above 40, like that if they ask, then obviously this will what? Cumulative frequency. And this is always be decreasing order or increasing order all the time. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
cumulative frequency, whenever you see this, always be decreasing order or increasing order. If it is less than type, then it's an increasing type. If it is more than, then it's in decreasing type. All right.
Okay.
And this frequency will never come all the time same decreasing and increasing. All the time random it will come. See.
Okay.
Is it clear to everyone, children? Prashul is
Yes.
clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So this was only you have to draw. You know how to draw, how to get to know Rasul frequency, cumulative frequency and normal frequency. You know that, Rasul?
Yes, sir.
Rasul. Okay, fine. Next question I'm asking right now. Next question is, find the mode. Mode, all of you know the mode, right? Find the mode of the data, children, all of you. Find the
Sir,
mode.
I can't see the question.
Yeah. I'm just here. I'm just putting the question over the screen. Find the mode, all of you.
Okay.
If you don't know the formula, just ask me. If you don't know the formula, just ask me.
Wow. Class interval. Seven.
7.
No. I wasn't saying the answer. I was writing. Sorry.
So those who are not getting, see here, long, which is the highest frequency over here? 12, right? So this is your mode class. This part is your mode class. It's got stuck again. 1 minute. One. I just close and open once again. 1 minute. Anyone got the answer? It's Shreyas is getting 18.5. Okay. Yamtur, did you got the answer? Javian?
Almost.
Oh, okay. So this is your model class, right? So this is L. Formula of mode is, what is the formula of mode, Javian? L
Can I
plus,
see? Oh,
minus F1 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2.
like this
Good.
only, no?
Yes, sir.
So L is 18. 18 plus this is F0, F1 and F2, right? So F1 is 12. 12 minus 10 divided by 2 into F1, that is 12 minus 10 minus 6 into H6. So 18 plus 2 divided by 24 minus 16 is 8 into 6. So 2 4s
21.
are 8. Huh? Hey, 12 by 8, 3 by 4 will come, right? So 18 plus 0.75. So we'll get 18.75 is the answer. All right. How much time people take, I don't know. I started solving right now only. I solved immediately. And this is not that hard to cancel and all. Why you are taking so long time?
I messed up.
Hmm. Javian? Huh?
I sent you 4 questions.
You sent me 4 questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now find the next question. That is your median is 137. Mean is 137.05. What is the value of mode? Median is 137. Can you find mode here? What is the relation?
Answer is
Rasul?
0.9.
Rasul.
Yes, sir.
What is the relation here?
Sir, 3 median minus 2 mean.
3 median minus 2 mean. Mode is equals to
Yes, sir.
Yes.
3 median minus 2 mean. So 3 median 3 into 137, 2 into 137.05. 7 3s are 21, 11 minus 5 2s are 10, then 7 2s are 14, 7 2, 274 minus 10, so 0.90 will come, then 410, 274, 7 4 1, 146. Same thing, we are getting 146.90, all of you getting the same answer. Rasul,
Yes, sir.
It is 136.90, sir, not 146.
136, correct. 136.90. Next, 13th term of the AP is 4 times is third term, okay? If the fifth term is 16, find the sum of the first 10 terms. Javin again, yes, Rasul, you have again off the camera. How much I should remind? I don't know. Why, Rasul? Why you are having any problem with your camera?
No, sir.
Then why you are doing like this? Anyone having doubt in this question? 13th term of an AP is 4 times its third term. 13th term of an AP means A13 of an AP is 4 times its third term. And third term is what? A3. So which is 4 times? A13 is third time. A13 term of the AP is 4 times its third term. So 4 you should multiply here, right? A13 is equals to 4 into A3, correct? Then we can write here A plus 12D is equals to 4 into A plus 2D. Anyone having doubt in this part? Any one of you having doubt, children? So we can write it as A plus 12D is equals to 4A plus 8D. So 12D minus 8D, that is 4D. 4D is equals to 3A. So D is equal, you can write whatever it is, you can write. 3A is equals to what? 4D is coming like this. Next, if they ask me if the fifth term is 16, fifth term A5 is equals to 16, it means that A plus 4D is equals to 16. So A we can find easily here. This is equation first. The 4D is equal to, you can write 3A. So A plus 3A is equals to 16. So 4A is equal to 16. A is equals to 4. A you got it as 4. Now the question is find the sum of its first 10 terms. Sum of first 10 terms with S10 you have to find. S10. S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So 5, 2 into 4 plus 10 minus 1. D is equals to what we can write? D is equals to, we can write, see here A we got means 4D is equals to what we can write? 3 into 4. So 4 will get cancelled. D is equal to 3 you get into 3. So 5, 4 to the 8 minus 27. So 5 into minus 19. So minus 95 is the answer. All of you are getting this? All of you got this, children?
Good
Anyone
evening,
feeling?
sir.
Good evening. Why, Shreyas, Samarth, you are having exam?
Exam also, and sir, I have my FITG class is going on, so I was unable to join. 8.
Acha, acha. And Adarsh, why you joined late? Adarsh, you also?
I was actually eating.
Huh?
Actually, I was eating, sir.
Eating this time, tuition time.
Yes, sir.
What happened, Amtur?
Can you explain again?
Everything, Amtur, or any part you are having doubt? I just mentioned here parts if you are having anything. See,
Yes,
first part is here, second part, and third part. Which part you are feeling difficulty?
second part. And
Second part is given the question only, Amtur, see here.
yes,
If the fifth term is 16, right?
yes,
So A5 is 16 is given. So A5, you know how to write A plus 4D for A5. You know this or not?
yes, yes.
That is equals to 16, and 4D we are putting from first. This equation we are writing from first. Okay.
Okay.
Be-
Oh,
So
okay.
instead of 4D we are writing 3A. This is from first actually. Instead of 4D we are writing 3A. Clear?
Okay.
So 3A plus A is equal to 4A. 4A is equal to 16. So A is equal to 4. If you're getting A is equal to 4, put the value here in the first equation again, you'll get D is equal to 3. Now it's easy. Now nothing is there in the question only, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyone else? Okay. Now, how many questions you have asked, Javian?
4, sir.
4 questions. Okay. Okay, we'll do your 4 questions then now. Okay. All are from this only? All
Yes,
are
sir.
from
All are from 80.
all are from 80. Okay. at. Well, first question is, let me check your first question. Your first question is that only, no? From the top of 7-meter high building, that one, right?
Yes, sir.
This only?
Yes, sir.
All of you understand and just tell me whether you can do it or not. So from the top of 7-meter high, the angle high building you should write, right? The question is clear, Javin, just check from your side also. Question is clear, means you have written clearly or anything is missing out. The angle of elevation at the top of the tower is 60. 1 minute. I think this is the second question, I think, no? It mismatched, I think, right?
No, sir, this is the first question which I asked you.
No. This got mismatched. Angle of elevation top of the tower is 60 degrees. It's mentioned wrong. Two question makes this one. It should be there. Okay. That was completely wrong question mark that. Now this is a clear, right? I'll write all the questions first, then you just move ahead. Wait. Copy again other second question. Then I'll write here third question. See, from a top of 7-meter high building, first any question you see of height and distance. So what you do, first of all, you make the right angle triangle. Without seeing, closing your eyes, just put here right angle triangle, okay? Anytime. If question is coming of height and distance, make one right angle triangle and make angle also like this. All right. So from a top of, and which all buildings are there? Just see here. One is building and top of the cable tower is there, right? Tower
Yes,
and building is there. If tower and building are there, then which is your tall building? Building is tall or tower is tall in this two?
tower is tall.
Tower is tall. So let this will be tower and building you make over here somewhere you make building with small. Okay, this much. This is a building. All right. So this is the building. This is a tower. Clear? So 7-meter high building. The building is how much? 7-meter high. This is your 7 meters. The angle of elevation of the top of the table of tower is 60 degree. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower. So top of the high building and top of the tower. See, top of the top building and this tower is how much? It's given it as 60 degree, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is given as 60 degree. So if this is 7 meters, so this part is also 7 meter only from here to here, correct? If this is 7 meter, right hand side, if building is 7 meter, if building is 7 meter, if you see, this is 7 meter. from here to here. It means that this is also 7 meter only. So this you can let it as x, because x and plus 7 is your nothing but height of the tower. Is this not town, is tower. Okay, you meet in town only. Height of the town or tower? Height of the tower. So it's very easy question. If this is 7, this is your 7. You can, what we can do here now? Now angle of depression of the foot is 45 degrees given. This is also given 45 degree, right? So this is 45 degree. So this is also 45 degree. So two right angle triangles are there over here. One is this one, second one is this one. So name it is A, here is B, then C, D and E. Okay. Remove this B and T. Okay. So two triangles you can write here in triangle EDC and in triangle ABE. How many right angle triangles are there? That you just solve accordingly. Okay. In
Okay, sir.
EDC, if you see, you have to find CD over here. If you know CD, you can find X also. Because B and CD both are equal. Okay. If B you find, then CD also same will come. Right, others? Shreyas, on your camera. Those who are not on the camera, I'm removing right now from the meeting. Shreyas. If you are really having problem, Samarth, then you tell me. Okay. So,
Yes, sir, I am having a bit problem. My
what
network is
happened?
problem. So my network is unstable. So sometimes it will get off.
Okay, okay, fine. So if you are having any problem with your cameras and all, you just tell me before that. So in triangle EDC, you can write here tan 45 degree is equals to ED by CD. Is it clear, Javian?
Yes, sir.
So 7 by CD, so CD is equals to how much you got? CD is equals to 7 meters. So this is B and CD both are around nothing but 7 meters only. Now in triangle AB, what we can write? Tan 60 degree is equals to AB by BE. So tan 60 is root 3. AB is equals to how much? X. B is 7. So X is equal to 7 root 3. That is a very small question, Javian. Nothing was there in this. Where you are feeling difficulty in this question? I think this chapter only by seeing this chapter only feel this one tensed. This chapter is more easier than normal trigonometry also, Javian. Remember, if you draw the diagram, your 90% work is over. That's it. You should see the diagram and you should do. That's it. Okay, here children will get confused by seeing the chapter only. Yappa, we should make the diagram, then you should think the equation. Nothing is there in this. What you have to find? Relation you should find all the time. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and few values. That's it.
Okay,
Maths
sir.
is, maths is the most easiest subject, easiest. I know people are thinking of how to revise. Still, you are having lot of time, Javian. 2 months time is there. Spend 10 days one chapter. Go one by one question you read. What you are having doubt, ask. Ask to me. Suppose you are having doubt in any chapter, ask me. I'm having feeling doubt. I hard this chapter only. Okay, which chapter you're feeling that I can't do the question? Just tell me. By seeing this question only, I can understood that you are feeling this chapter so hard. Simply, I just my mind is telling that
Actually,
because
sir,
this, huh?
actually, I'm feeling hard in this chapter because when you were explaining, I did not attend the sessions for this one.
Acha, okay. Then you are there in WiseUp. Everything is I have uploaded the videos in this one YouTube, and your link is also there in Google Classroom.
Okay, sir.
But anyway, this not looks easy. Where you're feeling which part you're feeling difficulty in this?
Relations, I just get confused between the relations.
Relation you remember. Here what you have to find means sin theta you are having relation. You are reading in sin theta cos P by H or opposite adjacent you have read. How you have read?
Sir, opposite, I had adjacent like that, sir.
So sin theta is equal to O by H. So you remember. So kah toa. So kah toa. Sin for opposite by hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan is opposite by adjacent. This much only remember. So kah toa. Kah toa. So is a person who is just telling toa. Toa, toa, toa. So this much only relation you remember means over. Why to 10 tan? Why not to take sine? Everything is easy, right? Amtur, you might be knowing all this. You don't know. Now you understood how what you have done. Shreyas, you are saying something. I'm not able to on my. Okay, fine. Next question answer is 20-meter high of the building. Okay. Next, see diagram I'm drawing over here, Javian. First, see the diagram. How I'm drawing the diagram. Diagram you draw means 90% of the question will get over. See, angle of elevation means you are seeing up or the top of building from foot of the tower. Here also building and tower is coming. So wherever building tower is coming, just make one line over here. This is your tower. Okay. And one more you just draw. This is your building. And join this line. Okay. So this is your building. This is your tower. By seeing only you can get to know. Now what we are doing? From the angle of elevation, the top of the building from foot of the tower. Top of the building from foot of the tower. Where we are going? Foot of the tower, top of the building you are doing. Okay. This is your 30 degree. First part is clear or not? See. This much is clear. Foot of the tower, top of the building from where? From foot of the tower. Foot of the tower is this point, top of the building is this point. So angle of elevation means you are seeing up towards the building side. Clear, Javian?
Yes, sir.
So go step by step. One line is clear, then go to the next line. And the angle of top of the tower. Top of the tower is this one. From the foot of the building. Which is the foot of the building? This is the foot of the building. This is given, that is how much? How much is given? That is 60 degree, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is 60 degree. If the tower is 60 meter high, see tower, this is 60 meter high, correct? So find the height of the building. You have to find this x. All right. So don't write here 60 meters. What you can write here is 1 minute. This you make one line over here. Okay. Join this line. If this is x, this is also x or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
And total height of the tower is 60. So can we write here 60 minus x, top part? Why?
Yes, sir.
Because x, if you add 60 minus x, you will get 60 only. That's why we have, if one part is x, the other part will be what? 60 minus x. I think it's clear to everyone, correct?
Yes.
Now it's nothing is there in the question. Once again, I just going to try 1 minute. So see, now this question is here. First you name it of A, B, C, D and E. How many right angle triangles we can see here? One is ACD and second one is in triangle EDC. Can you see this, children? See this right angle triangles? Two right angle triangle we are seeing over here.
So then there is one small right angle triangle also, no, sir.
Tell the name of that.
Sir, ABE.
ADE.
AB.
AB.
ABE, sir. Like we made an imaginary line, no, sir, from B to E.
So this is not triangle only. This part you'll get. Suppose if C is there, then you get this. This is not required only. Why required this one triangle? There is no relation only coming. Why to take that triangle? This triangle, why you want this triangle? This triangle, why you want? No use. Because here you don't know this one, you don't know this one. Why? We don't want only. Which side you want? Concentrate those right angle triangles. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So in triangle ACD, what we have to get? ACD. Tan 60 only we have to find. Tan 60 degree is equals to AC divided by CD. Correct. So root 3 is equals to 60 divided by CD. CD we don't know. So CD is equals to, we can find 60 by root 3. Then you have to multiply by root 3 up, root 3 down. So what will get? 20 root 3. I think Amtur has not understood this 20 root 3. Correct now? Amtur, you understood?
No.
Can
you explain again?
I know. Till 60 by root 3 you understood, right?
Yeah.
So to remove this root downside denominator part, what we are doing here is we have just multiplying numerator and denominator by the same number. That's what is there here. Same you multiply and divide. So if you multiply and divide, what will get? 60 and root 3 becomes what? 60 root 3, correct? And root 3, this root 3 and this root 3 becomes 3. So 3 you cancel, this become 20. The 20 root 3 will come, direct answer. It's clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now in triangle EDC, tan 30 degree is equals to ED by CD. So 1 by root 3 is equals to ED is X. CD we already got from first, that is your 20 root 3. So here you might be getting confused to cancel this and this. Okay. You are thinking that how to cancel, right? So if you don't want to cancel, keep it as it is. X is equal to, you can write 20 root 3 by root 3. Then you can cancel like this. So your answer is what? 20 meters. Clear? X is equal to what? 20 meters. So building, height of the building is how much?
20
Height
meters.
of the building is equal to 20 meters. Anyone having doubt? So this question so many times we have done, Javian, this statue wala part, 1.6 meter tall. So many times. I think last class also we have done the same question. This is from NCERT. When I was in class 10th, I just left the hope only on this chapter. Even this is easy, no? By seeing the chapter only I was afraid of what to do, how to make the diagram, when angle of elevation will come, when angle of depression will come, how to take angles, like that. It happens to the children. But think that this question, this is very zero chapter, means nothing is there in the chapter, then automatically you'll get to know how to find, when to find, why to use this.
Sir,
As the
it's not much complicated chapter, right? It's a short chapter.
Complicated, no, by seeing the chapter only we get afraid, no. Like proving sums before this chapter was like complementary angles, only 30 degree, 40 degree, then reciprocal, these questions were there, right? The
Yes, sir.
compared to that chapter, that was only should put the value, get the answer, right? But this
Yes.
chapter, by children, by seeing only, they will get afraid. What to do? How to draw the diagram? If I draw the diagram, it may be wrong, right? Confusion will be there. Which angle I should take? Do only 10 questions by yourself. You will get one idea. Spend the time. Nowadays, children will not spend the time only. They want direct answers. That is the main thing. If you spend the time on something, you'll get confidence. If people will get free, know what they do? Start WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube, this, that. That is the only thing. You won't think only you should, exam is coming nearby, you should see this chapter also. Except few children. Means mind is deviating so fast. That is the main thing. Right? Correct, no, Javian?
Yes, sir.
Every child is like that only. Every child, not only you, so many child, 90% of the children nowadays. Online class, they will be playing games. If teacher will ask the question, they won't respond. If they ask the question, they will leave the meeting only. Again, after 2 minutes, they'll join. Correct, no, Javian?
Kind of, sir.
They have learned so many things. How to skip. So this question, any other question? This question, shall I teach you or what? Same question is there from NCERT.
But there is an aeroplane question, sir.
Okay, I'm doing aeroplane only. Wait.
Ma'am, I'm saying what? Sorry, sir. Sir. What is a pedestal?
Pedestal is like a stand. Suppose you are having anything at home. Suppose you are having aquarium at home. Suppose you are having aquarium at home. Okay,
Okay.
here fishes are going like this. So
Okay.
on the stand where the aquarium you are filled, now this stand, this is where the stand is. This is known as pedestal.
Okay.
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 So pedestal is like a stand. So
Okay.
here a statue of 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of pedestal. On the pedestal, I'll solve only. Wait, I'll just solve here and just let you know.
Sir, are you doing NCERT questions?
This is not NCERT. Actually, Javian had asked all these questions actually.
Actually, these are NCERT. Just now
NCERT
we
only.
doing. Yeah.
Hmm. What you are reading everywhere, Samarth, here, Fitzy, everywhere you are there, huh?
Sir, I started from 10 a.m. in the morning and it's completing with the second class of Chanakya at 10 in the evening. It's getting hectic.
What Chanakya 10th? I'm not getting you. What you're saying?
Sir, the second class is there, right? SST.
Acha, 8:30, right?
Yeah, 8:30 to 9:30. So that will be the last class, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
So when you are attending this, your Fitzy?
Sir, it actually starts from 3 and ends at 8.
Acha, ends at 8. Okay.
Yeah.
Which all days they will take?
Yeah, 4 days.
4 days, okay.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
In Odisha only you are taking?
Yeah, I am actually in Fiji, Punjabi Bagh, Delhi, but I am taking it from Odisha.
Acha, okay. So, the statue of 1.6 meter tall stands on a top pedestal. From a point on the elevation of the top of statue, from the a top of elevation of a top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point, angle of elevation at the top of the pedestal is 45. See, one point is there on the ground. Okay, so they are comparing top of the statue. So which is top of the statue? This is the top of the statue, right? Then next you see which is the top of the pedestal. This is the top of the pedestal. Can you understand? The two angles are there from a single point. Now you can draw the two angles over here. So one point is here, and next you'll get one point. So there are two angles over here, right? From a single point, there are two angles. One is your smaller angle, that is how much? 45 degree, and one is your 60 degree. This is 1.6. Take this is X, this is Y. Name it as ABCD. A, I'll write with some other pen. So A, B, C, and D. So here also if you see, there are two right angle triangles. Always should consider right angle triangles only. The first triangle, small triangle, what you can take? B, C, D. And again triangle you can take A, C, D. Two triangles, okay. So BCD, what we can write for BCD? Tan 45 degree is equals to BC by CD. So tan 45 is 1, BC is X, Y. The X is equals to what? Y, right? So from first part we got X is equals to Y. Next in ACD, if you see, this is tan for 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equals to 1.6 plus X divided by Y. So tan 60 degree is equals to 1.6 plus X divided by, we have to find X only, no? So we are just, that's why converting into X form only, right? So this is root 3. So you can write root 3x is equals to 1.6 plus X. The root 3x minus X is equals to 1.6. Clear till here? Then root X you can take common, you can write root 3 minus 1 is equals to 1.6. So x is equal to 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1. Correct? Now to remove this root, what we should do? We should multiply root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1. So what do you get here? A square minus b square if you use, you'll get 2. The 1.6 root 3 plus 1. The 2 you cancel 0.8. So your NCERT sum is this much only. 1.8, 0.8 root 3 plus 1 meters. NCERT if you see, you'll get the same answer. I think it's clear, right? .8 root 3 plus 1. Anyone having doubt? Others, Paul.
No, sir, not it.
Okay, keep on just asking the doubts. Go one by one chapter, children. Whatever you are having doubt, you ask. Which chapter you are feeling difficulty, make a plan. You are having how many chapters? Only 7 chapters, right? For main test. Good.
Yes.
So 7 chapters you take one chapter do for 5 days, not a problem. Do for 5 days. What is there in that? If you do 5 days, if you take one chapter, it takes 7 5 is 35 days. In 1 month, you can finish it off easily. You can't finish one chapter in 5 days also. By saying we can say, right, Javian? But it not happen.
And we can finish it earlier than that also, sir.
Don't go early. So early means 1 year you got not finished. Then why you'll finish so early? 1 year we can't finish 14 chapters. So how we can do in 1 month, right? Don't go that fast also. Take 1 month time. Okay, children, all of you can leave for the day. Thank you. I'll just send you the few questions for homework. Okay.
Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.